Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Good news guys, we got a new car here at the shop, something that we'll be working on quite a bit lately. So make sure guys you subscribe. If you have a Dodge Dart, we'll be making more than 300 videos on this car guys, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Stay with us, I'll show you what we got, we'll explain what we'll be doing and what's the problem with that Dodge Dart now. So it's a 2013 Dodge Dart guys, it's a low miles car, super low miles car, real nice. You can see it looks really new, but it's mechanical problem, something's wrong with the engine, we still don't know what. Okay, we're going to take the whole thing apart and figure it out. In the meantime, we'll be making videos guys for the engine. This is 2.4, but we'll be working on getting a 1.4, which is a Fiat engine, and the 2.0 as well. This is the spare engine that we'll put in it. So we'll have a video on engine replacements, quite a few things guys. If you have one, please subscribe guys. I guarantee that we'll have very helpful information. Also we'll share common problems on Dodge coming very soon on the channel as well, so you know what to expect if you want to get one. But definitely a good little car guys. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it's pretty nice. We got it at the insurance car auction guys. We'll share how much we paid for it and all that stuff in a video coming very soon. I just haven't got to make the video yet. We'll explain where we bought it from, how you can buy one even if you don't have a dealer license. And if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.